Hi, welcome to Project 4. In Project 4, we're going to be working with if statements. If statements allow your program to make decisions. It will only execute under certain conditions. So what we're going to do today is we're going to write 12 if statements for 12 months. And the way this if statement works is very simple. If you select, let's say, April in this combo box, the comment that's attached to April will appear in the text box. So the program has to recognize what month is here to place the correct comment in here. So let's get started with this program. So your program is going to look very similar to this. So your form is going to say birthday comments, and it's going to have everything that you see here. So you have two labels, okay, and one's called month and the other one's called comments. You have a new control called a combo box, and you can find this combo box in the toolbox. It's the fourth or fifth one down. It's called ComboBox, and you place that here, and you'll notice it's a combo box because it has a little drop-down arrow here. That helps when you're selecting months. So, for example, this program is going to have 12 items in here, and we'll show you how to add those items inside this combo box in a second. The last part is this comment text box. So this is text box 1. This was combo box 1, and I'm going to show you how to make this a multi-line combo or text box. Right now you just see a single line. So if you ever want to lengthen your comment to appear, you can fix that as well. So let's get started. So first of all, get caught up. You can hit pause and get caught up and add all these things in, but we'll get coding right away. But before we get coding, I want to just show you how to add months in the combo box. So here's the combo box. We select the control. We go to our properties window down here, and you want to scroll up until you find items. And you'll see right beside items it says collection. There's a little box with 3 dots in it. Select that, and let's type in the months. I had written April there as a test, but let's just do January, February, and March. Okay. For your program, you're going to write all 12. I'm just going to do these 3 for now, just to make it faster. So January, February, and March. Hit OK. Now what we're going to do is we have those 3 months written in there. We're going to start coding. The coding is actually quite easy. Okay, so we have to add the decision-making code, which is also the if statement in there. So double-click on the control. It opens up the code window. Now what we're going to do is we're going to write if, this is the standard line, you're going to write this 12 times. If combo box 1 dot text equals, in quotations, the month you filled in, so January, then text box 1 dot text will equal whatever comment you want January to appear. So for me, I might write a very cold month. You can be creative, do something funny if you like. Just be careful with your wording, though. You don't want to offend anybody. If combobox1.text equals January, then textbox1.text equals a very cold month. Now let's test that. We'll go back to our form. We're going to hit play. Now when I select the month, you'll see the 3 months are there. January, February, March. Hit January. And then right as soon as it clicks, it says a very cold month. So the reaction, the code only launches when you actually select it in the list. So we haven't done February yet, but if I click February, nothing comes up. It's still stuck on a very cold month. So that's basically the program. You can copy and paste that code 12 times to make it fit for each month you add. So that's January. So for example, if I wanted to make this a little bit faster, I'll copy this code and paste it underneath, but then change the month. So instead of combobox1.text equaling January, we're going to write February. Okay, and then we're going to change the comment as well. Then textbox1.text will equal February is start of the new semester. Okay. And then for March, might as well just do March now as well. We'll just copy and paste January again, or whatever month you like, and then we'll change this to March and say, oops, sorry, have a great spring break. So there's our code. They're all the same line. We're just changing the months. And then, so there's two parts. There's the if. So if something equals something, then launch this in a different area, the comment. So there's two parts to this decision making, if and then. Later on, we'll add more parts to the if statement, but right now we're just keeping it very simple. If it equals January, this is the comment. If it equals February, this is the comment. If it equals March, this is the comment. So let's go back and let's test this quickly. January, a very cold month. February, start of the new semester. And you'll notice that semester got cut off. I want to show you one thing here. We're going to change this to multi-line in 1 second. So it won't get cut off. We'll have a longer box here, so you can add a longer comment. Let's test out March first, though. Hit March. Have a great spring, and then the K gets cut off from break. So let's close this program down and then select the text box. Scroll down, and what we want to find is the property for text box 1 called multi-line. It's right here. It says false. Make that true. And now you can extend this box a little bit longer. Make it a little bit wider, and you can add a little bit more. So if you wanted to have maybe a sentence in there, a longer sentence, you can actually make that work out. So now when you hit play, we'll quickly run through it again. January, February, March. Now I have all this extra space. You can change the layout and make it more cosmetic if you like. But that's basically the program. Make sure for your version you have all 12 months. And after this project, what you're going to do is you're going to do a project 4A where you're going to pick 10 items of your own. So if it's hockey players, you're going to write those names down and have a comment for each hockey player. It could be a Canuck, it could be any team, Montreal Canadiens, or whoever you like. If it's cars or whatever you like, it could be scientists or mathematicians. It doesn't have to be anything that I give you. You pick a topic. So that'll be project 4A after project 4. So you're going to do that on your own. There won't be a video for that one. Good luck. Hopefully you enjoyed. Take care.